Welcome to the world of price action trading, where the art of reading charts and understanding market dynamics is key to success. In this presentation, we will explore what price action trading is and how it can be used to achieve profitable trades in financial markets. My name is Author Name, and I have been actively trading for over a decade. Through my experience, I have developed an exclusive price action trading approach that has helped me consistently profit from the markets. Today, I am excited to share my knowledge and insights with you. Price action trading is a methodology used in financial markets to analyze and make trading decisions based solely on the price movements of an asset, without the use of indicators or other technical analysis tools. Unlike other trading approaches that rely on complex algorithms and mathematical models, price action trading focuses on interpreting the natural ebb and flow of market prices. It involves analyzing key levels of support and resistance, identifying patterns and trends, and making trading decisions based on these observations. The exclusive price action trading approach is a unique strategy developed by the author that focuses on using price movements to identify potential trades. Unlike other trading approaches that rely heavily on indicators, this approach uses only raw price data to make trading decisions. By analyzing price patterns and trends, traders using this approach can gain a deeper understanding of market dynamics and make more accurate predictions about future price movements. This approach can be applied to a variety of financial markets, including stocks, forex, and commodities. One of the key benefits of using a price action trading approach is increased accuracy. By focusing on the actual movement of prices, rather than relying on lagging indicators, traders can make more informed decisions and improve their overall success rate. Another benefit of price action trading is reduced reliance on indicators. While indicators can be useful in certain situations, they can also be misleading and cause traders to make poor decisions. By using price action analysis, traders can develop a deeper understanding of market trends and make more confident trades. To implement a price action trading approach, it is important to first understand the basic principles of this strategy. Price action trading involves analyzing the movement of an asset's price over time, without relying on indicators or other technical analysis tools. This approach requires a deep understanding of market psychology and the ability to identify key support and resistance levels. One practical tip for implementing price action trading is to start with a single asset or market and become intimately familiar with its price movements. This can help you develop a strong sense of the asset's behavior and identify potential trading opportunities. Additionally, it is important to use risk management techniques such as stop-loss orders and position sizing to minimize losses and maximize profits. In conclusion, price action trading offers a unique approach to financial markets that can provide increased accuracy and reduced reliance on indicators. By focusing on the movement of prices, traders can gain valuable insights into market trends and make informed decisions based on real-time data. Implementing a price action trading approach requires practice and patience, but with the right strategies and techniques, it can be a powerful tool for achieving success in the markets. I encourage you to consider incorporating this approach into your own trading and see the benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.